Welcome to Village Creek. This is the creek that we actually simulated in our lab today and the one that we're trying to clean up. Because if we can make this space inviting and friendly, then we're going to see our kids out here playing. We're going to see families. We're going to see more of that applied science actually coming into fruition.
My name is Christopher Jefferson with PD Jackson-Olin AP Chemistry class. Today I will be telling y'all about our surveillance drones and how it helped impact what we're doing with Village Creek and how we're trying to change the water environment and clean it up. Today we just got our new surveillance drone, and how we will be using it is we will be using it to fly around the Village Creek area to see what we need to clean up.
And the big idea is really, taking these things that we're doing in the lab, and if we're doing these things here, how are we applying it to out there?
It'll help me make a better impact for the community and the wild animals around. We have a very not clean area, and this will help me develop more skills and knowledge on how to clean it. It is not any animals around the creek. I think could be a chemical or something in the water that is not attracting them to the water. So we don't really have nothing but wild birds flying around.
The field station would be very helpful for our water source, because when we went out there like a couple of weeks ago, we saw no wildlife, and that's the big sign that there is something wrong with the water source. Our plan for the field station is to have the soil test kit, water test kit, the drones, the lab, right there, so we won't have to run back and forth, and we can do it right there. And I feel like that would save us a lot of time.
Get some of the water out of the creek to try to test it and see what would help clean it, and then see if we got any type of chemicals, like why ain't no animals going in there, see what's really happening in there, clean it all up. And then a cleaning station that after we test the water, we go to the cleaning station to make sure we can actually do it.
Having this chemistry station and taking the field cart down to the creek, we really start to tease apart what are those chemicals that are in the runoff. What are those other items that are easy to dredge up or to take out? Because then we start seeing a bioremediated fact that we're taking this space that's not desirable, and we're going to turn it into something more desirable, where families, for communities, where students want to come out. They don't want to just come out because it's their classroom and they have to. Now they want to come out after hours because they know what's in their creek and they know that it's safe.